Hi, we're the Evers family. We've been coming to Dr. Saylor for about 6.5 years. We originally started coming when Alex was 2 and was having a series of ear infections, and because of an imbalance in his neck when he was born with torticollis. Since then, Alex has also been treated for sports injuries in his neck, and Miss Elizabeth here has also been treated for sports injuries with soccer, volleyball, and baseball, including hitting herself in the head with her own cast and giving herself a little slight concussion. And Dr. Saylor usually can make her headaches go away within about 5 minutes after an injury. Myself, I have a neck injury from golf and knee injuries, so she keeps me in balance so I can still run and keep up with these guys.
And I had a bout of Bell's palsy, and she's got me nice and straightened back out.
We love Every Chiropractic.
KST keeps you healthy.